Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, MDLN just filed an 8K reporting a Chief Operating Officer's retirement, and I am seeing a pattern here that is a little concerning. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. While this filing is mostly procedural, the timing and the company's recent news paint a complicated picture. Alright, let's dive into this filing from Medline Incorporated. What we have here is a current report, which essentially means the company is informing the public about a material event. The main item here, item 5.02, tells us about changes in the company's leadership. On July 7th, the Chief Operating Officer, Stephen L. Miller, let the company know he'll be retiring. He is stepping down for health reasons on August 30th. The company has announced they're starting the search for his replacement. This report was signed on July 9th, just a couple of days after the co announced his retirement, which is pretty standard procedure for these kinds of events. Now, this might seem like a simple personnel change, but when you look at the other news surrounding Medline Inc., lately it adds a bit more context. We've seen headlines about analysts being bullish on Medline, with some major investment firms increasing their stakes. For instance, Stephens Inc. invested nearly $4 million just a few days ago. The Carlyle Group also holds a significant chunk of shares, over 22%. However, it is not all positive news. There was also a report that Medline shares were sliding, citing concerns about an FDA warning, fire fallout, and an overhang of shares needing to be sold. This kind of mixed sentiment with significant institutional interest alongside reports of market challenges makes management changes, especially at the co level, something worth paying attention to, while this filing itself doesn't contain financial details. The departure of a key executive like the Chief Operating Officer, especially for health reasons, can signal internal pressures or a shift in operational focus. The company is a major player in healthcare and medical supplies with a market cap of over $73 billion and 45,000 employees. Yet, recent news, like Alina Health tapping Medline for medical supplies, shows their ongoing business momentum. What's interesting is that this departure comes amidst a period of both positive analyst sentiment and some challenging headwinds for the company. The fact that the search for a successor is launching immediately suggests the company is moving to fill the gap. But the reasons for the COO's departure, health-related, are understandable. The risk I am watching is how this leadership transition impacts the company's operational execution given the existing market challenges. Alright, that is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord.